Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS Cognito for auth and apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Amazon Web Services homepage. If you already have an AWS account, click on Sign in to the console. Enter your AWS account email address. Click on Next. Input your password. Click on Sign in. Once logged in, locate the AWS Services menu at the top of the screen. Type Cognito in the search bar. Select Cognito from the drop-down list. In the Cognito dashboard, click on Manage User Pools. To create a new user pool, click on Create a User Pool. Enter a name for your user pool. Click on Review Defaults to accept default settings. Here, you can customize your user pool settings as needed. Once finished, click Create Pool. Take note of the pool ID and ARN, you will need these later. Next, navigate to the App Clients section within your user pool. Click on Add an App Client. Name your app client and ensure Generate Client. Click Create App Client. Your new app client will appear in the list. Access the Domain Name section to set up authentication. Enter a unique domain name for your app. Click Save Changes. Now, navigate to the Federation section if you wish to add social login. Follow the prompts to link social identity providers. Once set up, familiarize yourself with the User Pool section. Make sure to configure the necessary security settings. Now that your user pool is ready, navigate to your app's codebase. Install the AWS Amplify library if you haven't already. Import the required libraries in your code. Configure AWS Amplify with your Cognito details. Use the Pool ID and App Client ID from your Cognito setup. Implement authentication flows as per your app's requirements. Test the login flow by running your application. Verify that users can sign in successfully. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.